Hello dear friends, today we can discuss important selected question and answers for coming SIC, Kerala PSC and the railway examinations. Please watch the video fully, and if you are new here, please consider subscribe our NurseQueen YouTube channel. Please give me a like. First question, instrument used to assess the shape of anterior surface of cornea is options retinoscope, phoropter, Placidos disc, ophthalmoscope. Instrument used to assess the shape of anterior surface of cornea is correct answer is Placidos disc. So Placidos disc, the other name is keratoscope. So maybe the option keratoscope, you have to answer it. Placidos disc, other name is keratoscope. What is phoropter? Phoropter is an instrument used to test individual lenses on each eye during an examination. So when you go to an ophthalmic consultation, they test your each eye with the different lenses. So that instrument is called phoropter. So what is ophthalmoscope? Ophthalmoscope is used to visualize fundus of the eye, any anatomical structure problem or anything they have to visualize with the ophthalmoscope. So Placidos disc is an instrument used to assess the shape of anterior surface of cornea. Other name is keratoscope. Second question, antifungal drug used for corneal ulcer. Options, natamycin, acyclovir, gentamicin, ganciclovir. Antifungal drug used for corneal ulcer. Correct answer is natamycin. Natamycin is one of the drug used for corneal ulcer. Other drugs are tobramycin, ciprofloxacin, gatifloxacin, moxifloxacin. Tobramycin, ciprofloxacin, gatifloxacin, moxifloxacin. Next question, total number of layers in retina. Options 10, 8, 11, 12. Total number of layers in retina. Correct answer is 10. There are 10 layers in retina. Don't forget. Next question, a Vision 2020 aims to bring down blindness to how much percentage by the year 2020? Options 1%, 0.3%, 0.75%, 2.2%. Vision 2020 aims to bring down blindness to 0.3%. 0.3% is the correct answer. Next question, the year in which NPCB was launched in India. Options 1976, 1974, 1984, 1986. The year in which NPCB was launched in India. Correct answer is 1976. NPCB full form is National Program for Control of Blindness. National Program for Control of Blindness launched in India 1976. 1976 launch ചെയ്തു. Next question, blindness in premature and low birth weight infants can occur due to options retinoblastoma, retinopathy of prematurity, retinitis, choroiditis. Blindness in premature and low birth weight infants can occur due to, correct answer is retinopathy of prematurity. So premature infants, low birth weight infants, cause of blindness is mainly a retinopathy of prematurity. That is the abnormal blood vessels to grow and spread in retina. So there will be abnormal blood vessels to grow and spread through the retina, entire retina, cause retinal detachment, and finally the child may be in blindness stage. So retinopathy of prematurity. What is that? Abnormal blood vessels to grow and spread in retina, cause retinal detachment. Next question, safe strategy implemented for control of options diabetes, childhood blindness, trachoma, injuries. Safe strategy is implemented for control of, correct answer is trachoma. Safe strategy is implemented for control of trachoma. You can see in detail. Safe international efforts to eliminate trachoma as a blinding disease will be based on the WHO developed strategy, a combination of interventions known by the acronym SAFE. So SAFE എന്നുള്ളത് related to trachoma. It's a blinding disease strategy. So eliminate trachoma is the basic aim, which stands for S, surgery for trichiasis, that is inturned eyelashes. Trichiasis, inturned eyelashes, surgery. S means surgery. A, antibiotics. F, facial cleanliness. E, environmental improvement. So what are the letters? S, surgery. A, antibiotics. F, facial cleanliness. E, environmental improvement. Trachoma is a bacterial infection caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. It's a bacterial infection. Trachoma is a bacterial infection caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. So what will happen in our eye? Roughening of inner surface of eyelids. Roughening of inner surface of eyelids in trachoma, that will cause severe pain, leads to blindness. In trachoma, there will be roughening of inner surface of eyelids, cause severe pain, leads to blindness. Next question, which among the following is not a bone of facial skeleton? Options: ethmoid, lacrimal, maxilla, vomer. Which among the following is not a bone of facial skeleton? Correct answer is ethmoid. Ethmoid is not a bone of facial skeleton. It's a midline situated in midline of anterior cranium. Ethmoid bone situated in midline of anterior cranium. You can see the bones of facial skeleton. There are 14 facial bones. There are 14 facial bones. Maxilla, there are 2 maxilla. You can see in this picture 2 maxilla. One is here and one is here. Then 1 mandible, 1 vomer, 2 zygomatic bone, 2 palatine bone, 2 inferior nasal concha, 2 lacrimal bones, and 2 nasal bones. There are 14 facial bones. Please study with this picture. You can easily understand. Maxilla 2, zygomatic bone 2, mandible 1, nasal 2, palatine 2, inferior nasal concha 2, lacrimal 2, vomer 2. So next question. QRS complex in an ECG represents options: ventricular depolarization, arterial depolarization, ventricular repolarization, arterial depolarization plus AV nodal delay. QRS complex in an ECG represents ventricular depolarization. Please study this. QRS complex in an ECG represents ventricular depolarization. P wave indicates arterial depolarization. P wave indicates arterial depolarization, and T wave ventricular repolarization. T wave ventricular repolarization. So QRS complex ventricular depolarization, T wave ventricular repolarization. So there will be change D and re. P wave arterial depolarization. Next question. Chostek's sign is seen in options: Cushing syndrome, Addison disease, hyperthyroidism, hypoparathyroidism. Chostek's sign is seen in, correct answer is hypoparathyroidism. Chostek's sign is seen in hypoparathyroidism. Chostek's sign is a clinical sign of hypocalcemia. Chostek's sign is a clinical sign of hypocalcemia evidenced by twitching of muscles, especially in facial muscles. So when we do percussion over the facial nerve like this, when we do the percussion like this, there will be happening of contraction of facial muscles. That is the sign of that is a Chostek sign. How to test Chostek sign? You have to percussion over the facial nerve. There will be twitching and contraction of the facial muscles. Chostek sign is a clinical sign of hypocalcemia. Hypoparathyroidism, twitching of facial muscles and contraction of facial muscles are common in hypoparathyroidism. So there will be decreased calcium level, and that will be the main sign of Chostek sign. Next question. The most abundant glycoprotein in basement membrane is options: elastin, laminin, fibronectin, integrin. The most abundant glycoprotein in basement membrane is correct answer is laminin. Laminin is the most abundant glycoprotein in basement membrane. Next question. The immunoglobulin that mediates primary immune response is options: IgA, IgE, IgM, IgG. Correct answer is IgM. IgM is the immunoglobulin that mediates primary immune response. That means when an infection attacks our body, the first line of defense, that is IgM. That is the first line of barriers. IgM is the first antibody the body makes when it fights against a new infection. It is the largest antibody. IgM is the largest antibody. When corona infection attack in our body, first immunoglobulin attack against corona, that is IgM. That is an example. Next question. Vincent's angina is caused by options: Staphylococcus aureus, Leptotrichia bacchalis, Streptococcus viridans, Haemophilus influenza. Vincent angina is caused by Leptotrichia bacchalis. Vincent angina is caused by Leptotrichia bacchalis. Vincent angina is an acute bacterial infection of the gingiva or gums. It's an acute bacterial infection of the gingiva or gums caused by spirochetes, includes Borrelia vincenti also. So Vincent angina caused by Leptotrichia bacchalis and Borrelia vincenti also. Next question. The antibody responsible for anaphylactic reaction is options: IgG, IgA, IgD, IgE. The antibody responsible for anaphylactic reaction is IgE. The antibody responsible for anaphylactic reaction is IgE. Antibody produced by immune system. IgE antibody produced by immune system when if any allergen attack our body, the first antibody that produces is IgE. When you heard about allergen, the antibody IgE. Next question. Development of tooth begins at dash week of intrauterine life. Options: 6 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Development of tooth begins at 3 weeks of intrauterine life. Development of tooth begins at 3 weeks of intrauterine life. Next question. Floating tooth syndrome appearance is seen in options: fibrous dysplasia, cherubism, vanishing bone, Paget disease. Floating tooth syndrome appearance is seen in, correct answer is cherubism. Floating tooth syndrome. You can see the X-ray. The teeth are floating here and there. Cherubism is a rare genetic condition, affects the bone of lower jaw and upper jaw. Cherubism is a rare genetic condition, affects the bone of lower jaw and upper jaw, especially lower jaw, rarely upper jaw. Next question. Which of the following bacteria is more important for producing cellulitis? Options: Streptococci, Pneumococci, Staphylococci, Helicobacter pylori. Which of the following bacteria is more important for producing cellulitis? Correct answer is Streptococci. Streptococci bacteria is more important for producing cellulitis. Next question. Oral cancer biopsy is options: primordial level of prevention, primary level of prevention, secondary level of prevention, tertiary level of prevention. Oral cancer biopsy, which level of prevention? Correct answer is secondary level of prevention. Oral cancer biopsy is secondary level of prevention because already there is a sore inside our mouth. Then only we go to take biopsy. So that is the example of secondary level of prevention, because already the disease has started and we need to prevent the disease. We need to treat against the disease. So that is the secondary level of prevention. Next question. Temporary hardness of water is due to options: magnesium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium nitrates. Temporary hardness of water is due to magnesium bicarbonate. Temporary hardness of water is due to magnesium bicarbonate. Next question. Drug of choice for trigeminal neuralgia. Options: gabapentin, lamotrigine, carbamazepine, baclofen. Drug of choice for trigeminal neuralgia, that is carbamazepine. Carbamazepine is an anti-epileptic drug used against the treatment of trigeminal neuralgia to reduce the severe intense pain caused due to the compression of trigeminal nerve. So that is carbamazepine. So we discussed previous important 20 questions and answers. Very good expected questions in coming examinations from the eye and dental portions. So thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to your friends, and if you are new here, please consider subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can join our NurseQueen Telegram group. You can join NurseQueen Telegram group, and you can take our membership. Join our membership, channel membership. It will be suitable and for you and me. Thank you. All the best for your exam.